the police on violating people's rights as per arrest and the likes. We have about 1 or 2 cases that are extant. The arrest and prosecution of a lawyer, Farotimi, and one Abiodun Thomas, that the 2 cases have been trending, where the Nigerian police force operatives have been alleged of violating people's rights and trampling on people's rights. For the case of Comrade Farotimi in Ekiti, the matter has been charged to court. We got a petition, we acted on the petition, and with the credible fact we have, the command, Ekiti State Command, charged him to court. And the matter is in court, is in the news. And for the case of one woman called Abiodun Thomas, they say she's an activist, NSAS activist whose video had been viral, raining curses of individuals, the president, the son of the president, the IGP family, the first PRO's family, and we have our own rights too as Nigerians. We reported the matter to the National Cybercrime Center, and the woman went into hiding, but later she was arrested. She has been charged to court too, as I speak with you. We have not arrested or detained anybody without court order. We have acted within the ambit of the law. At times it's laughable when people allege the police of doing the statutory duties. Our duty is to investigate criminal cases and prosecute any offenders where necessary. Cyberbullying is a criminal offense in Nigeria, and you know we have criminal defamation, where you have any act that has been described or defined under the law as an offense or a crime remains criminal and punishable under the law. There is no sentiment in the law. Once a criminal case has been brought to our notice, the police will do the needful to do necessary, investigate and prosecute. So we want to urge Nigerians to please always seek clarification from us. Where you have cases and incidences of this nature, they always drag the police, that police trample on people's rights. We should know that some of these cases that we do, in fact, all these cases we have taken up, we have investigated and charged to court are criminal offenses. And the police has the mandate, the constitutional mandate, all the powers it takes to look into criminal cases, investigate and prosecute. We don't want to have a situation whereby we see Nigeria as a lawless country. Everybody has his own fundamental human rights, and we have been tried in the police our best possible to protect people's fundamental human rights. But we should be reminded that no fundamental human right is absolute. And every Nigerian too has fundamental human rights, and he should enjoy his fundamental human rights, including police officers and other law enforcement agents. So we want to appeal to Nigerians to always understand the law, study our legal framework so that we can be on the same page. We have noticed that many don't understand provisions of the law. So when the police swings into action to carry out certain investigations, people see us as being overzealous. It is not so. Any act that is being described or defined as an offense in the law remains criminal and punishable under the law. So we have done what we should do in all these 2 cases, and the matters are in court of competent jurisdictions, and we hope that Nigerians will follow, and we will continue to update Nigerians as events unfold. These are the 2 major issues I think we need to discuss, apart from the ugly incidences where we have lost innocent Nigerians as a result of unorganized distribution of palliatives. We want to appeal to the media to please let us have back-to-back public enlightenment about this. Organizers should please take note of the provisions of the law and try to carry the police and other security agencies along. While we appeal to our people, members of the public who may want to benefit from these distributions, to please tread with caution and prioritize their safety. It is very, very important to take note of this. We still want to say, again, this is festive period. We want to appeal to our people, to Nigerians, to please be more security conscious. Don't just jump at anybody you see. People are now in the country. They have traveled to Nigeria to come and celebrate. They are moving from one state, from one community to the other to celebrate. Your friend you knew 10 years ago might not be the same friend you should relate with. Try to be very, very careful. We always say to the police that you must beware of somebody who is unduly friendly. So if that person is coming to you this time around, try and assess the person. Be careful, don't jump at anybody you just come across. Don't forget, the friend you met 10 years ago might not still be the same person you met that time. The only thing that is constant in life is change and is inevitable. So as a responsible and responsive security organization like Nigerian Police Force, our job is to alert our people to share security tips so that we can be safe during a festive period like this.